My mum has noticed that I've stopped snoring. I used to snore really, really bad, and now she says she can't believe the house is so quiet at night.
When we gave you the Narval, you simply said, wow. And that's exactly the reaction we get from our patients.
It has been life-changing, transforming. My tiredness is sorted.
I only have the odd migraine, but it has reduced the migraines greatly. I'm happier in myself now, whereas before depression was getting to me. And now I feel as if I'm getting my life back together again.